be more clear on that, Mr. Chairman. According to the Constitution of Zimbabwe, Section 213, in brackets 2, which says deployment of defense forces. Subject to this Constitution, only the President, as Commander-in-Chief of the Defense Forces, has power and I'll come to brackets 2, brackets B. Has got the power in Zimbabwe to deploy forces in support of police services in the maintenance of public order. And this section is also read with Section 37, in brackets 1 of the Public Order and Security Act, which says, when defense forces may assist the police force under this act, if upon a request by the Commissioner General Police, the Minister is satisfied